All right, how you doing? June 8th, because tomorrow I turn 67, June the 9th. It's 2026. It's about 2:30 in the evening. I've been playing around with a 2007 Tiffin Allegro Bus 42 QDP, 4 slides, tag axle, and yes, it is mine. I get to work on my stuff. The Beaver's been sold. My wife wanted 4 slides, and we got a good deal on this one. Of course, it needed some work, which reflects the good deal, which, there you go. So, we're tearing up all the ceramic tile, right? And carpet right there, that came up. You can see it's a little stained, a little wet. Not soaked, but it happened. Alright, I'm going to pull this cabinet, which is electrical. All that's going to get pulled to the side. We're converting this LRM 20 or LRM 1200 to the JC refrigeration dual compressor unit, 12 volt DC. Well, there we go. All right, I can give it another view. All right. So I was thinking about, instead of putting ceramic, because the carpet ended right there, and ceramic went all that way, I was going to do carpet all the way down. That way we still have a ceramic aisle. But there's still more exploring to do, right? All right, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. I'll show you all the tiles that I'm trying to save, and there's a few under the bus that'll match. Only one cracked. Right there. There's a whole bunch of them there. There you go. I don't know. Let's see. Put you on pause. There's about 16 of them there. All right, there's still a couple more I'm going to pull up. Of course, it's all, dust. That's why I got this on. M95, right? All right, thank you very much, Jeff from RV Don. Is the Tiffin Allegro Bus 42 QDP in pretty good shape. It is what it is. All right, thank you for all the participation in the years. My Facebook page is one day going to be 34,000. Some logarithm isn't working right, and I guess I'm getting ready to hit 10,000 on my YouTube channel, and then my website's doing really well. And then we're going to move on to the next level of me being a master diagnostician, not just a tech, but a diagnostician. I'm going to reach out due to Kathy Cromwell, I think her name is, or don't get me wrong. We're going to, and she's an RV tech, we're going to implement helping junior techs out to learn how to troubleshoot better. So I'll be on call for them. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics.